Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to fix sync issues in Instagram. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So first, if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and leave a like. And now let's create a new project so we can see how we can use the syncing features of Instagram edits. So we can simply create a new project and click on this. And after that, we can start having any footage. And simply, uh, Instagram would have some automatic syncing features. There isn't like a tool that says auto syncing or anything, but whenever you are adding audio, it will sync it within your media. That means if I'm just going to add an audio here and then go, for example, to this one, and I'm going to click on that, as you can see, it will sync it to my clip and it will make sure that is well uh, in its duration. Otherwise, if you had some problem concerning some audio inside a video, you have an option of clicking on that video and then you will be able to start extracting its own audio. So I'm just going to choose this video since it is the one that has uh, the audio, and I'm just going to reorder it to this way. I'm just going to click on extract audio from here. Make sure that you are selecting the video, click on extract audio, and from there you can start move it around and you can simply choose your audio and start drag it down, etc. until it is well synced with your video, and then you can export it at the end. And by that, you have solved your problem. So thank you for watching and see you next time.